is for apple, red and round. B is for bird, flying all around. C is for cat, purring soft and sweet. D is for dog, with paws and feet. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, hopping all day long. G is for goat, munching on the hay. H is for horse, running all the way. I is for ice cream, a tasty delight. J is for jellyfish, swimming in the light. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lamb, fluffy and shy. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for nest, where the eggs might be. O is for owl, hooting in the tree. P is for panda, munching bamboo with glee. Now let's keep going, we're almost through. Q is for queen bee, buzzing near you. R is for rabbit, hopping everywhere. S is for sheep with soft woolly hair. T is for turtle, crawling nice and slow. U is for umbrella, when rain starts to show. V is for van, driving left and right. W is for wolf, howling in the night. X is for xylophone, a musical delight. Y is for yellow bird, singing in flight. Z is for zebra, with stripes so neat. That's the alphabet, now let's repeat. A, B, C, come and sing with me. Animals and objects from A to Z. Learning is fun, let's play and see. Sing the alphabet with joy and glee.